Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at how to create a relationship on database, specifically Microsoft Access. Let me go right ahead and share my screen. So here we have the table that we have created in our previous video on how to create a table. I went right ahead to create a new table called Gradebook that has the list of grades for each student. Now, these are the students and these are their grades. These are on two separate tables on the same database. The only way to show that these two tables are connected is to create a relationship. Now, a relationship is the ability to link tables and files in order to share records. So the only way for us to link these tables together is what we consider a relationship. Now, the relationship is very important because it prevents duplication. But when you're creating a relationship, there are three things you must pay attention to. The table must have at least one field in common. And right here, the field in common that we have is ID number. The field containing the common information must be of the same data type. So therefore, if the data type for this field is text, then the data type for this field should be text as well. If it's number for this one, it should be number for this one as well. At least one of these fields must be the primary key. Now you may ask, what is a primary key? A primary key is a field that acts as a unique identifier for each of the records on the table. So the primary key for our table is ID number. If you notice, each of these ID number is unique and they uniquely identify each student. So let me go right ahead and demonstrate how to create a relationship. First, we go to our menu bar and we select the option that says Database Tools. And then we select from the toolbar the icon that says Relationship. This will now give us a pop-up window that says Tables, Queries, or both. We're sticking with Tables. So we're going to get the tables out. To get the tables out, we're going to double-click, or you're going to highlight and then click the icon that says Add. Now we have both tables out, we can close this box. In both of these tables, we have the list of field names. So we're going to look at these field names to try to find out which of the field names is unique or is common among both tables. When we search, we find that ID number is the only field that is common. So what we're going to do now, we're going to drag the ID number from one of the table to the ID number on the other table. Let's go ahead and do that. Then we'll see a pop-up window that says create, cancel, join type, or create new. We're going to stick with create. By clicking on create, we're going to see a line that comes between both tables to show that we have established a relationship. But what if we don't want the relationship anymore? All we have to do is to click on the line that comes between both tables. That is right click actually, and click on edit if we want to delete. So we're going to click on the option that says delete. It will say, are you sure you want to permanently delete this relationship from your database? And you click yes, and there you have it. It has been gone. It has been deleted. To establish this relationship again, we go and we do the same procedure. We drag the ID number from one of the table to the ID number on the other table and release it. And then we select the option that says create. So there you have it. We have created a relationship between our two tables. That is the table that contains the information of the students and also the table that contains the grades of the students. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Enjoy the rest of your day.